What's this about? You okay?
I need you to sign a sale ticket for a client of mine.
Fuck Greg.
Let's fucking deal with this prick right now and get it over.
Wait. Chris, I got arrested last night.
What?
The FBI arrested me.
The FBI? Why the fuck would the FBI arrest you?
Because of my involvement in the firm.
Involvement with the firm? What the fuck does that mean?
Come on, man. You know what that means.
No, I don't know what it means.
What does it mean?
What the fuck did you tell them?
They knew everything. They had photographs. They had tape recorded conversations. They brought my father in. There was nothing I could do.
What did you do?
Chris, the FBI is going to raid this place in 20 minutes.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Fuck, Seth.
Chris, I asked you for months about shit going on here. And you told me to shut the fuck up and get ready to be a millionaire.
That's right.
Shut the fuck up. That's all you had to do. Didn't you learn anything?
I learned how to fuck people out of their money. Harry Bennett just lost his life savings and he wasn't even a whale. He was just a poor schmuck and I took him. I did everything JT Marlin said. I made up his mind for him.
What do you want me to say? That's what we do here.
We lie. We are liars.
Said this. Who are they coming for?
You're coming for everyone. You're coming for everything.
Do you know how hard I worked?
Chris, you need to forget about that right now. It doesn't mean shit. Right now, this moment is what you should be thinking about. What are you going to do in the next 15 minutes? Because you're going to come in here and you're going to make sure we never trade another share of stock ever again. But we can do something.
What's that?
Harry, my client, I need a senior broker to sign his sale ticket and he can get his share, dump it in the open market and make his... Come on, Chris, please. What's the difference? We are fucked already. Just do this one thing right. Sign it. Sign it. Thank you. I'm really sorry, Chris.